Okay, wait. Okay, I officially moved into my new apartment. It is pretty small, but it is pretty much what I need, so it's not bad. Let's give you a room tour before I bed. I like this bed. It's like concrete texture, but it's not. The closet, the nightstand, the window. I got some views, a TV, desk chair. I'm hungry. I should eat some cup noodles later. This is the kitchen, little bit of kitchen, the trusty refrigerators, and the doors. Yeah, and the bathroom. I just hate this fancy thing. And then just a shower. I'm so hungry, I need to eat. Now I'm just make some water. Water to make my cup noodles. Because I'm very hungry right now. I'm very hungry right now. I got the cup noodle Kaisan Yan for Japanese seafood. They give me 2 bottles of water. I have the trash can. Oh my god. Yeah, I need to do a lot of grocery shopping. I think I'm gonna buy some eggs, make some omelet in the morning tomorrow. How do I use this? No. Is it clean? It looks like it's clean. Let me rinse it first. No sink, so I cannot really do the dishes beside the, what's that called? Beside the sink in the bathroom, which is kind of nasty in my opinion. Yeah, but gotta do what you gotta do. Just some water. Turn it on. And then make a cup noodles. And later on my chest, put on some makeup. Or not. And go grocery shopping. Because I need shampoo. No, I have shampoo. I need conditioner, body wash. What else do I need? Hand soap. I need hand soap. That's all I can think for now. Okay, so I have 2 empty drawers, some hangers, so I'm gonna try to hang stuff up and like organize them. Just saying, normally I would never do this. I'm doing this for the vlogs. Let's get this organization going. I got halfway done with the clothes, so I'm just like trying to go out. I have something at 5 with my coworkers. I'll just like do my makeup real quick. And then like I already like washed all my brushes, so I can use, I'm just like use my hands for now. And yeah, see you guys. And I'm back. So much better after a slight makeup. Like I don't have much brushes like on me right now, so like I couldn't do too much, but not bad. I did a lot of makeup yesterday, so it's like it's nice now for me to do not much, like not a lot. So yeah, I'm just like getting ready to go out. I'm gonna walk to the place because it's really close to my place. So yeah. This place is so cute. Like the decorations, the decor is like this hanging lights, and then the light. It's so aesthetic. It's like I love it. I have alcohol menu and a soft drink menu. I ordered the mixed juice with pineapple coconut without mint because I don't like mint. Yeah, instead I put the fruit into the apple. It looks super cute. Look at this. What is this? What did you order again?
Fucking cheese.
Burrata cheese and
It had lemon on top.
Okay, dig in.
Dig in?
She's an hour late. She's half an hour late. I was here by myself. So after their dinner, cause like we got literally a cheese board, 3 types of cheese, and like kinda unlimited bread, but then like it was pretty disappointing. I think for the afternoon at that cafe is more of like a bar place, so it's more like a wine, cause like you normally pair cheese with wine, but then like it's just like very, I want a dinner, like I want a meal, but then like but you think about it, like it's kind of their soft opening, so they don't have much yet, so it's like I can't understand. But then like I really wanted to go back to try the brunch. Am I tilted? So after that I just went to the market. I went to like a Whole Food like market down by this mall that near, and it's so freaking overpriced. Just sort out my clothes tomorrow, and yeah, so good night guys. So right now my rating at the Marcel's place is like a 7 out of 10. But then the manager or the owner was really nice. He was like giving he was like explaining the menu to us, and then like being very nice, give us like extra bread and stuff. So like I give that another point. It's an 8 out of 10. But I will go back. No, that's too high. 7.5 out of 10. Good night, y'all. I'm in my PJ. I'm gonna just do some Netflix and chill. Today is a very tiring day, so it's like I don't want to do a lot of work. So tomorrow I think I'm gonna just like be out most of the time and like do my work at some like cute cafe. So I'm gonna bring you guys along. So yeah, good night and see you tomorrow.